Alright, so as you guys have just seen, the 5.0 is finally back in the car. And actually, we only have very small things left to be done to it. We actually need to get an alternator bracket, put an alternator on, water pump pulley, and pretty much just like fix all of these stuff, like cap them off, because I think I'm just gonna cap these two off. I'm gonna run water in here, water out at the bottom of the water pump, and that'll be it. So we know this motor is running, we know that for sure. So it's just a bunch of small buttoning up stuff to get this thing actually driving, because carbureted motors are super easy to install and to get running in the car. So yeah, so like I was saying, there's very small things to be done to the car now. We know it has good compression, we know it's running fairly decent. We need to get the secondaries to come on now, because we only have the primaries coming on the carburetor, so we need to get that sorted out. But once the motor is running and you have it in the car, 90% of the battle is done. Everything else is just little tiny small stuff. Need to get the clutch cable installed, need to get it wired up. Wiring up a carbureted setup is just so simple, so easy, so I'm not really concerned there. This build is probably gonna be on the back burner for a little while, because I'm trying to figure out something pretty special to do on the channel. I think it's either gonna be a new build or taking the 4-valve swap to the next level. It depends on a lot of factors right now, so I don't want to speak and then won't be able to actually complete or do what I said I'm going to do. So I'm going to keep that to myself for now. Once those things get in motion or get in place, then we're going to start doing the work actually, instead of just saying we're going to do it. But the 5.0 Mustang, I'm going to put that in the back now. I'm going to bring the S14 up front. The S14 also has a 5.0 in it that is actually running, so I'm gonna put that together. I'm gonna wire that up, because that motor has been in there for the longest now. I'm gonna put that motor together, wire it up, get that running and driving. Then we're gonna get back to this black Mustang. Then we might do some work on the 4-valve swap. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you when it comes to the 5.0 Mustang. She is in the best condition that she's been in a long time. So once I get all the little stuff buttoned up, I know it's not overheating, I know it's not leaking any oil, then we're gonna take it to the paint shop and we're gonna get it painted. Still not sure what color I'm gonna be painting it, but we're gonna figure all that out pretty soon. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Always remember, don't drift without your dreams, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.